Hi students, this is Suresh. Welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, in previous classes we have learned about the graphical method and we solved some problems by using the graphical method. In this class we are going to learn about some more interesting methods for solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. They are substitution method and the elimination methods. What are the methods we are going to discuss here? Substitution method and elimination methods. So let us start with the substitution method first. Dear students, substitution method is very useful for solving a pair of linear equations in two variables where one variable can easily be written in terms of the other variable. To understand this method, let us consider the example here. Solve the pair of equations by using substitution method. The equations are 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Okay students, here we have a pair of linear equations and we are going to solve this pair in the method substitution method. So write the given equations first. So given equations are 2x minus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Name these equations as equation 1 and equation 2. So 2x minus y equal to 5 is the equation 1 and 3x plus 2y equal to 11 is the equation 2. Students, in this method we have to calculate one variable value in terms of another variable value. That's why I am selecting equation 1 here. You can choose any equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. Here I choose the equation 1. What is the equation 1 here? From equation 1, so the equation 1 is 2x minus y equal to 5. So that 2x minus y equal to 5. Here I want to calculate the y value in terms of x value. That's why I am transposing the some values here. That is 2x minus y equal to 5. Here I transpose the minus y value, so it becomes plus y. Also I change the plus 5 value also. Here the symbol of 5 is plus and I transpose this value, that's why it becomes minus 5. So finally y equal to 2x minus, that means I calculated the y value in terms of x. So that is y is 2x minus 5. Now substitute this value in equation 2. Students, remember one thing, here the y value is obtained from the equation 1. So we have to substitute this value in equation 2. Okay. Now substitute the y value in equation 2. What is the second equation here? 3x minus, let me write, substitute y equal to 2x minus 5 in equation 2. What is equation 2 here? 3x plus 2y equal to 11. That is 3x plus 2 into, we have to substitute y value. What is the y value here? Y equal to 2x minus 5. So in the place of y we have to substitute 2x minus 5. So that's why I am substituting here y equal to 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. That is 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into, simplify this term, 2 into 2x, 4x, 2 into minus 5, 10 is equal to 11. 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 10 is equal to 11. Now change the 10 value also. That is 7x is equal to 11 plus 10. Here the value of, here the symbol of 10 is minus, that's why it becomes plus 10. That is 7x equal to 21. X equal to, transpose the 7 also, 21 by 7, that is x equal to 3. So what is the value of x here? X equal to 3. Now substitute this x value in the equation 1 or equation 2. You can select any equation by your choice. So now here I am selecting equation 1. So that means I substitute the x equal to 3 value in the equation 1. What is the equation 1 here? 2x minus y. Substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus y equal to 5. So if I substitute x equal to 3, that is 2 into 3 minus y equal to 5. 2 3s are 6 minus y equal to 5. Here I want y value only. That's why transpose the 6 value, that is minus y is equal to 5 minus 6, that is minus y equal to minus 1. 5 and 6 are different symbols, so that's why we have to subtract one value from the another value, and the larger value is minus 6, so that's why the symbol is minus 1. So here minus minus get cancelled, so y equal to 1. So therefore the values are x equal to 3 and y equal to 1. So in this way we can solve the given pair of equations by using substitution method. Okay students.